Hey guys, it's Christina, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an updated 2018 everyday makeup routine. It seems like I've been doing these like almost every year, so I'm going to just keep up with it, and I feel like my makeup is way different than my last makeup routine that I posted, which was almost a year ago, which is crazy. I know this video may seem kind of repetitive because I am using a lot of familiar products that I have been using in other videos, but this is just how I do my everyday makeup. So if you guys are interested in watching how I get this look every single day, then just keep on watching. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and I don't know, maybe leave a comment saying hi. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'm mostly on Twitter, so you guys will definitely catch me on there. Hey guys, welcome to the voiceover. So as you guys can already see, I already did my brows off camera, so now I'm just priming my face with a Benefit Professional and just applying that to my T-zone and everywhere where I feel like I need to fill in my pores, just adding nice base for my foundation, in which I will be using the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlight, just a few drops of that, and also my IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream Foundation in the shade medium, and I'm just going to be warming that up on the back of my hand and applying that directly to my face with my fingers. And I realized that this is my new favorite combination, just adding like some type of liquid luminous highlight to your foundation, because I was using this foundation by itself previously, but I did not like the way that it sat on my skin. It just looked super dry and cakey, but adding the liquid highlight just made my skin look more luminous and hydrated, and it just made it look more skin-like, if that makes sense. And so I've been loving this combination a lot, and the liquid highlight is also super affordable, so that's a pro. So if you guys haven't tried that product yet, you guys should definitely try it, because I would say it's comparable to the Cover FX luminous drops that everyone raves about. So yeah. And now I'm going to be applying my Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and as you guys can see, I go ham with this, mostly because it is such a super lightweight concealer that I feel like I can go like super crazy with this and not feel like my skin is super cakey, because it's just like the way it blends out just like melts into my skin and doesn't even look like super cakey. So just applying that to all the places where I feel like I need concealer, which is under my eyes, around my nose, and also my forehead. The Age Rewind Concealer should honestly be nothing new to anybody. It's a widely loved concealer in the beauty community because not only is it affordable, but it provides beautiful coverage when concealing on your face, and I just really love this product, and I've been using it ever since it came out, which I feel like was in middle school for me, and I've already graduated high school, so that says a lot about this product if I've been using it for that long. So next, I'll actually be brightening my under eyes a little bit more with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and priming my eyes with the Age Rewind Concealer again. And the reason why I use so little of the No Filter Concealer is because this girl is thick, okay, like THICC thick. I personally don't like wearing super heavy products, and I feel like this product is too thick for my under eyes by itself, so I do like to mix both concealers, and I think it looks beautiful. And now I'll be setting my concealer with the RC Mate No Color Powder, and this product is just kind of different for everybody. You either love it or you hate it. I just personally like this powder myself because it just makes my makeup stay on all day, and I'm using this trick that Carly Bible did to bake her little laugh lines just so it doesn't crease there, and now I'm just going to start looking even more crazier, so let's just not mind that. But let's also just appreciate how satisfying this is as I carve out my brows with this powder. That's my favorite part. But I would also like to note that the packaging for this product is fucking stupid. It's a fucking Parmesan cheese bottle, and I hate it. So next, I'll be using eyeshadow, and I'm going to go in with the Dream Street palette by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop, and applying the two first shades in the palette into my crease and just blending that out, and also kind of dragging it out into a wing. You guys will see that in like the next clip. And also just really making sure everything is blended out with a clean blending brush, and I will use like these colors in my crease just because I just want to add a little bit of definition, nothing crazy, just add a little bit of color as well, and carve this out with the same baking powder as I used earlier, and this will just make it look super sharp and as if I used tape. And now I'm just prepping for lashes. I'll be curling my lashes first and then applying the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'll actually be using Miami Lashes by DAMMITKRISTY. That's like my favorite thing to say. But these are Lily Lashes in Miami. And these honestly aren't my favorite, but I finally got like my new pair in and I'm kind of just testing them out, but I'm honestly not that impressed. So I feel like this product is overhyped, but now I'm just dusting off the baking powder with a clean blending brush. And now I'll be taking a big fluffy brush and applying a darker powder to the perimeters of my face so I don't look so washed out, because the baking powder does kind of make me look a little bit washed out if I don't do this. So yeah, I'm applying that to like the bottoms of my cheeks and my forehead, and now I'll be bronzing with the Physicians Formula Cocoa Bronzer. Is that what it's called? No, it's not. I think it's called the Butter Bronzer actually. And this is just a beautiful like contour slash bronzer shade, and I'm just applying that to all the places where I need to contour. That's how Rihanna said it. I don't know. She's so cute. But now I'm carving it out with the same baking powder that I used earlier, just so we look super snatched, and like rounding that out as I get near my cheekbones, so it just looks super nice and high. And I'll be going in with the Dream Street palette again and just applying the super chocolate brown shade on my under eyes and blending that out. I feel like the look is not complete if I don't do that. And now I'm dusting off the baking powder from my contour, and I'll be applying the Milani Luminoso blush, one of my favorites because I love the sheen that it has in this, and it almost gives like a little highlight to my cheeks, and I really like that look. And I'm also going to be like dragging this like across my nose. I just really like that look where it kind of looks like I got some sun. And now I'll be applying the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. That is nothing new. This is like everyone's new favorite highlight, and I think it looks beautiful. And now I'm just blending that out on my nose and also just all the other high points of my face. And my nose highlight is honestly my favorite. Like, look how cute that is. But I'm also using the ColourPop small fluff brush to apply this, and it's one of my new favorite highlighting brushes. Fan brushes, don't know who she is. Also highlighting my brow bone, which I always seem to forget, but I didn't for this video somehow. But now I'm setting my brows with Anastasia Clear Brow Gel just to ensure that my brows stay in place all day. So now I'll be prepping for my lower lashes and applying the telescopic mascara. And for lips, I'll be using ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Zuma and applying the Hot Toddy lip gloss by Buxom. Because in this house, we don't do matte lips anymore. We always do a super luscious lip gloss. So that's it for this makeup routine. This is the look that I did. It's super easy and simple. So don't forget to subscribe and also follow all my social media, and I'll see you guys in my next video.